Welcome to day 3. This is Monica Bravo. I am a holistic health and life coach. I help mamas beat fatigue, especially after having children, and get their energy back. So day 3 is all about eating healthy, and that's one of my favorite topics, is how you can reduce weight, increase energy, and maintain that healthy lifestyle that you want as a mom. Eventually, after changing your diet, you will raise those energy levels and you will start to feel better. I will tell you, I didn't always have this much energy and I didn't always eat very healthy. I want you to start by choosing a healthier diet. I give free 3-day meal plans on my website, monicabravo.com, so please connect there. There's lots of recipes and there's a lot of information so that you can start to feel and be healthy. So step 1 is getting some natural proteins in your diet. So you can have seeds, nuts, spirulina. You can have some lean organic meats and also olive oil or avocado oil. You can have very healthy fats also. That's number 2. A lot of people shy away from fats, but there are fats that are really good for you. And when mamas are going through adrenal fatigue and hypothyroidism, one of the number 1 things they can increase are things like avocado oil, avocados, put a whole one on your salad, and coconut oil. As long as you don't find any sensitivity in these will be great for you. Number 3 is eating superfoods. So there is amazing superfoods out there. There's spirulina, there's goji berries, there's cacao butter. There's a lot of alternatives to dairy and wheat. So I want you to limit the dairy and wheat. That is step 4. If you can reduce any dairy and wheat, at least for 7 days, you can start to notice if you have sensitivities to these. So try an elimination diet. That's a great tool. And you can also try to limit, this is our next step, limit your portions. So I want you to avoid overeating. Avoid overeating because this makes you feel heavy. You can also include a bit of fasting if you want. When you wake up and you're not hungry, don't eat, right? That's an amazing tool you can use. Don't eat if you're not hungry. Just wait until you're hungry. Have a cup of tea, have some warm water with lemon, and wait until you feel true hunger. And my last tip is drinking more water. How many times have you heard that? Drink lots of water, up to 100, 150 ounces a day, half your body weight in water. I can't wait to share with you my next step on our journey to getting your energy back. Please email me or message me with any questions you have.